Welcome to Gianti's Kitchen. Today I'm making peanut butter cupcakes. This requires no fanciful icing. Please continue watching. I'm going to start with the peanut butter topping. For the topping, I need flour, which I'm going to sieve. This is 3 tablespoons of flour, brown sugar, the peanut butter, melted shortening or margarine. This is margarine. Combining it together till the mixture is crumbling. And I ended up adding 1 more tablespoon because I wanted it drier. After this is done to what you want it to be, just set aside. In another bowl, I'm going to combine all the dry ingredients together. This is the flour that I've just finished sieving. The baking powder goes in, salt, and then the cinnamon. So that's all for the dry ingredients. So I'm going to whisk everything together and set it aside. Dry ingredients away. So let's have the third and the final bowl. In this bowl, I'll combine the brown sugar, the peanut butter, the margarine, we're gonna cream everything together. So I creamed it enough. This is light and fluffy. So it is light and fluffy. This is the egg. Gonna mix. So I've added the milk. I'm just gonna fold in the milk as well. I'm going to fold in the flour right now. Everything is well mixed together. I have lined the muffin pan with cupcake paper, just putting it inside the cupcake paper. If you don't have cupcake paper or the ones you have won't do, what you simply need to do is grease the muffin pan, dust it if you want. If you dust it, it adds more color to the crust, makes it look very, very attractive. I got here the crumbly peanut butter mixture. I'll just go ahead and top each cupcake with it. The beauty of this cupcake is you do not have to do anything fanciful, and this is also healthier than icing. It's ready to be put in the oven. So I'm gonna put it in the oven. Catch you later.